Hello, my name is Raymond Eric Belz Jr. This is the aftermath 2 days later after the 2013 blizzard in New York. And this is what my office parking lot looks like right now. I had to stop here. Been stuck here for 2 days, and I am still trying to get my van out, which was plowed in by a snowplow. This is where the van started. All I have is a shovel and a brush. A shovel and a brush, a bucket and a brush, sorry. But not really looking too good for me. The snow has packed itself down so hard I can almost stand on it now. Actually, I can stand. Some of it on the inside is some crazy stuff. Right now, I'm hoping for some sort of miracle that I'll get out of here, because it's just me by myself. Nobody else. But, you see the smile on my face? That's me. I know I say a lot of things on Facebook that sound kind of sad, but I'm not sad. This is how far I got. So, hopefully, by maybe tonight or tomorrow, I'll be unstuck. So, just pray for me, people. I'll talk to you later. Bye.